your book.
The question is what kind of section and how do you know? Okay, what kind of section and how do you know?
It's coronal slice.
It's coronal, and then how do you know?
As you can see from left to right
You know this.
and from top to bottom, but you can't see from interior to posterior.
Yeah, say lateral to lateral, from lateral to lateral.
Lateral to lateral.
And from superior to inferior,
But
but not from anterior to posterior, that's correct.
Wow.
Okay, so let's look at this one first. Now, this isn't the most anterior one in the sequence, but the most, even the ones that are more anterior are more obscure looking than this. So I want to start with this and then go anterior from here.
Oh, it's posterior? That's the most posterior?
No, this is fairly far anterior, but not as anterior.
Oh no, I got a good grip on it.
Okay.
But the ones that are even more anterior, well, maybe I will show this.
Oh, please do.
Show this first.
It's like
Greatly
brain that's
appreciate
coming
it.
out of that brain.
Okay, now,
These are tiny.
Don't spill.
take a look at this. I'm going to just turn it
These
this
are,
way. And, let's see.
Can you really spill my shoe?
Just thinking about getting that beaker.
Or do they shrink them?
Take a-
Are these adult brains?
The question is, which, I don't want to say the direction, so I'll put it either, so I want you to say the direction. Which way, in terms of a direction, just take a close look at this. This will require close inspection and an angle that doesn't include a reflection. Which direction is toward me?
Because he's not even going.
And how do you know? Now you have to move that out of the way. Then I'll give you a moment to
Okay.
I want to show this
All
first,
right.
but not with the camera, not with the phones or phone cameras.
Oh, this is not a phone.
Oh. Well, any kind of camera. Let me show this first. The question is which way or which direction is toward me, and then how do you know?
Yeah, I know. That's why I'm
Superior.
That's right. Superior is toward me, and how do you know that?
Because it's more round on the top, and the longitudinal fissures on top.
Well, the longitudinal fissure goes from top to bottom because it's a coronal.
It looks more obvious though.
You have longitudinal fissure toward the bottom and longitudinal fissure toward the top. However, look at this.
Alright, you can see the singular gyrus if you want.
No, it's way too far anterior for
far
singular
anterior?
gyrus. Here we have the inferior surface, which sits on top of the orbital lamina of the frontal bone, the roof of the eye socket. And that's convex, so the brain accommodates that by being concave. And then, so let me show that, and then the next question will be, what is that? It's over here. And then what are these? And then, okay, just note this.
Deb, I would know your book.
Note this, here we are inferior.
So those are medial and lateral.
Wait, don't say anything until everybody has seen. Note this concavity. This is the underside of the frontal lobe where it sits on top of the orbital lamina of the frontal bone, which is convex. So this has to be concave to match it. Let me just walk this way.
Oh, absolutely.
See this? Observe that concavity. That's inferior. Because sitting on the brain sits on top of the orbital lamina. You can also say orbital plate of the frontal bone, which is somewhat convex. So therefore, this has to be concave to match. And the next question is, what's that? And what are these? What's this? Also, let's make it three questions. What's this? What's this? And what are these? As a group, these as a group. What's this? What's this? And what are these? What is this? What's that? And what are these? Louder.
Oh, gyrus rectus.
Yeah, the most medial gyrus on the other side of the frontal lobe, the gyrus rectus. Right over here.
Show
And
this
then
side.
what are these?
Can you show the group over here? They can't
Correct.
see.
Orbital gyri.
They need visual aid, proper visual aid.
Gyrus rectus, the most medial gyrus on the other side of the frontal lobe, right over here. And then orbital gyri.
There's medial and lateral, correct?
Yeah, there's an orbital
Oh,
gyri.
shit.